This is the brief on one-year-old baby frock cutting. So we're looking at a super straightforward step-by-step guide for beginners. It's all about how to cut a stylish, flared frock, and, it really shows that getting the measurements just right is the secret to an absolutely adorable result. First up, you've got to master the bodice. That's the main body piece. It all comes down to precise marking on folded fabric. You're looking at about 19 centimeters for the chest and 23 for the full length. Now, the front and back pieces are almost identical, but here's the key. The front neckline drops down 5 centimeters for a nice round curve, while the back neckline needs to be just a little bit higher. Second, let's talk about cutting that flared skirt. This is what gives the dress its volume. The design uses an A-line shape, which means it needs some serious width. We're talking a full length of 37 centimeters from top to bottom, but the trick is making the bottom edge way wider, about 36 centimeters, to get that perfect flare. And finally, the real secret to a fluffy fit. The skirt has to be way wider than the bodice waist. I mean, it seems weird, right? But that extra width is crucial because you're going to gather all that material up later when you stitch. That's what makes the frock so puffy and cute. Oh, and for a beautiful fall when it's worn, make sure to draw a soft curve along the bottom edge before you make that final cut. So, nailing these measurements means your pieces are all set for stitching, creating a simple but super stylish frock that's just waiting for a big bow.